How to fix Instagram message notification not showing. So if you're facing a problem with Instagram message notification, then first of all you have to open up your Instagram application. And after opening your Instagram, here on the bottom right corner you will have a profile icon. Tap on your profile and then you can go to the upper right corner which has the 3-bar icon, and then you can go to settings and privacy, which is on the first option. And from here you will have notifications option. Simply tap on notifications and then make sure you have turned off your pause all notification. And after that, here you have to go to the middle of your screen where you will have messages option. Simply tap on messages and then make sure you have turned all of your notifications of your messages that are turned on. And after saying that, you can go to the bottom of your screen where it says additional options and system settings. You can simply tap on that and here it will take you directly to your phone settings, and from here make sure that you have turned all of these buttons on. And after making this sure, that might fix your problem. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you have to go and open up your Play Store application. And after opening your Play Store, here you will have a search bar on the upper side. You can simply tap on the search bar and then you have to search for Instagram. And after opening your Instagram, you will either have an open option or an update option. So if you have an update, you can simply tap on update and then you can update your Instagram. So that's it. That's how you fix your Instagram messages notification problem. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.